Hi, here's another brilliant video from me, and this is to help you all identify millions and millions and millions of skill in y'all, in each one of y'all. Coming to skills, not many people know what exactly are skills. That's why it's very hard for them to gain skills. And even the thought when you say, what new skill am I going to learn, or what new skill do I have, or what new skill do I require to advance in whatever you're looking for, be it your career, personal life, your goals, your ambition, your missions. Here today I'm going to give you all a very deep understanding on how the skills work, how the skill world works, how the oceans and oceans of skills work, and how you can grasp them, not one, two, three, but thousands and thousands of skills, how you can grasp them easily, like in days, and advance and move on higher and higher and higher. See, to give you a very deep understanding, anything and everything is a skill. Every word in the dictionary, there are over 100,000 words in a dictionary. Every word in the dictionary is a skill. See, some skills you can learn it in minutes. You could watch a video, you want to do something, fix something, you want to learn about something. So there are skills, there are millions of skills that you could learn in minutes. And every day if you keep practicing and learning skills that you could learn in minutes, then you can move on to the next level of skills. That's a higher level of skills that you could learn in hours. Every day you keep practicing, reading, writing, watching videos, and applying the practical, watch and perform. So you can move on to the next level of skills which can be learned in hours. And there are millions of skills you could learn in hours, be it dancing or even walking. Walking is a very important skill. Like there's a full industry out there, models, their full life depends on their skills of walking. Running, there's a full world out there. Any sport, you have to have very deep understanding of that sport if you want to get better. And every sport has millions and millions of skills to offer. That's why these athletics are so great. And you can't become them or be like them, or try to be like them in days. It doesn't work. They are professionals. They have practiced that for years and years and years and years and years and years. And then you are looking at what they are now. For instance, if you say watch a good video and someone dances very well, you want to learn that, but you can't master that dance, say, in hours or days. It will take you weeks or months, because they have been dancing for years and years and years and years. But if you really want to learn, you got to first start with the simple steps. Say you want to learn art, you have to start with learning to draw simple things, then which you can draw in minutes, then moving on, which you can draw in hours, then moving on, which you can draw in days, then moving on to like masterpieces which will take you months to draw, so on and so forth. Be it music, any industry, any field. Okay, so just know that every day you can learn thousands and thousands of skill, and there are oceans of skill. Have you ever looked at the dictionary? People think that they don't have much skills, but when you go through 100,000 words, you would understand that everything, anything you see in this world is a skill. You need skills to make it, you need skills to understand it. Every word in the dictionary, by the time you read the dictionary, you will understand that there are thousands and thousands and thousands of things unknown to you that you are good at. The word care, there's a full industry there, customer care. The word technical, another industry there, technical. And technical skills itself, there are millions. every day you could learn technical skills which takes minutes to practice, technical skills which takes hours to practice, technical skills which takes weeks, months, years. So every day, if you keep it as a hobby, just learning skills, learning, uh, be it whatever, I given you a technical side. Say in your particular industry or field where you want to advance to very next level. Now as a HR, over a decade ago, I used to look at thousands and thousands of resumes every day, and people, when it comes to skill, they hardly jot down few skills because they don't know what skills are. Everyone can fill in hundreds of. Imagine a company. If you, I'll make another video on this, but I'll give you a gist because imagine you're going to a company and you highlight such word as I'm a team player. That's a skill. I'm a very good motivator. I'm a very good encourager. Now these are different skills. I'm a very open attitude. I'm a very helpful person. I'm a very kind person. I'm a learner. I'm a seeker. So there are thousands and thousands of words I can tell you, and this will make it a very long video. But you should understand that every day, if you learn a skill, right, by the end of the year, you'll have hundreds of skills. Okay, and even unknown to you, you will have millions of skills in you. Only when you look at vast data, like the dictionary, and you write down 10,000 words, then you would know 25% of those words that you've written, you have those skills. See, you can understand the very word itself. If you pick up the dictionary, you'll understand that thousands of words, you already know the meaning, the understanding, the workaround, how to get that knowledge, how to perfect that knowledge, how to make anything. Like, say, if you write down thousands of things, out of that 25%, you'll know you can make it on your own if you put that effort by watching others, by learning, so that those skills are already by default. As a child, you keep learning these skills and advancing. But if you take it as a hobby, learning new skills every day, by the time a year or two or few years go, you would have millions of things to teach the world. You would become, beyond an expert. Which company won't take you? Which business you won't succeed at? Any aspect you're looking at, you will excel in every aspect because you understand what it is to gain abilities, to gain capabilities. Okay, start off small. Start by learning. It could be simple things you're watching on YouTube in a minute or two, how to learn these are skills you pick up. Known or unknown, you would pick up the skills, and little drops of water make a mighty ocean. So if you do that for a few years, finished. You will be beyond the imagination. You just have to put that into practical use, into your practical life. Create things. Everyone can create millions of things. They can create masterpieces. Okay, so I've written a book. It's called The Highest Right. It's available on Amazon.in. Apart from helping you to gain billions of skills and talents and intelligence and knowledge, it also has billions of benefits. And one of the benefits is it has over 400 trillion dictionaries. New dictionaries, yes, over 400 trillion dictionaries. It's a one of a kind book. There's no book like this in the world, which offers you the knowledges of billions of books in one. So you can check it out.